Victor Tango, Victor November Mike, Mumbai ground. How do you read?
Video 5, how do you read? Victor Tango, Victor November Mike.
Radio 5, Mumbai ground. Do you have any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
So remember feedback from yesterday and do your
Y-
best, okay? Think and do it fast. Try to be fast. Some students are talking about ATCs being fast.
Okay.
So, yeah, practice being fast, quick, real life experience.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start in a couple of minutes, maybe. Be ready.
Okay, sir.
So sharing a copy of a chart for you to zoom in.
Sorry, sir, say again.
Sharing a copy of the chart for you to zoom in.
Okay, sir.
If you'll have to leave early for some urgent work, let me know. Finish calls quick and then you can go.
Okay, sir. I have time.
Yeah, yeah, great. That is nice. So I'm walking you through the route on the screen as well.
Okay.
This is the route. Gutag, Madurai, Trichy, Tegut, Lekap, and Chennai.
Roger, sir. Okay, ready, sir. 1 cleared, 2 negative, 3 redo 1,
No need to mention question number.
monitor.
What is radio 1? It's unreadable. So the answer is unreadable.
Okay.
No, okay, Roger.
Roger, monitor, confirm, readable, check, cancel, correction, acknowledge.
Very good.
Tiruvananthapuram Tower, SpiceJet 589er, stand 6, IFR flight Tiruvananthapuram, Chennai, passenger on board 234, request priority pushback and startup.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, pushback and startup approved.
Pushback and startup approved, SpiceJet 589er. Tiruvananthapuram Tower, SpiceJet 589er, clear of stand 6, request ATC clearance.
Or is clear of stand 6?
When we push back, we are out of stand six. So I say clear of stand.
No,
Basically, it was position.
you can say pushback and startup completed, and you can say uh, yeah, pushback and startup complete is the acknowledgement you could give, or clear of stand 6. You can say pushback and startup completed, and if you were instructed in pushback and startup like facing east, facing west, so you say that, and yeah, yeah, I
So
mean,
how could we say the location of that position?
Abim stands stand 6 on taxiway, Charlie. That's what you
Okay,
can say. Yeah.
okay,
But ATC clearance you can ask from parking bay also. So you can imagine any position. But yeah, you were given a pushback. So continue.
okay. Tiruvananthapuram TARS price at 589er. Pushback and startup completed. Beam stand 6. Request ATC clearance.
Now this was more connected to the situation. Yes.
Okay.
Spyjet 589er, Random Tower. After departure, maintain runway heading, runway 25, climb flight level 50, turn left for heading 265, climb to flight level 70, report reaching.
After departure, maintain runway heading 25, climb flight level 50, then turn left heading 265, then climb flight level 70, will report reaching SpiceJet 589er. Tiruvananthapuram TAR, SpiceJet 589er, holding short runway 23, due wind change, would like to request opposite runway.
Try to mention the name of the runway also. Instead of saying opposite runway, you can say the 180-degree opposite number.
Okay. Tiruvananthapuram TAR, SpiceJet 589er, holding short runway 23, request runway 05, due winds.
Spyjet 589er, Trivandrum Tower. Hold short runway 23. After correction, behind landing aircraft from left to right. Clear to enter runway 23. Taxi runway 23 for runway 05.
Say again, SpiceJet 589er.
So we have to try asking them to say again and all unless we are in dire need.
Okay.
Yeah, first thing. So Sagan also has a process. Trandom Tower, Spyjet 589er, read you to say again all like this to justify that you could not hear because of some readability. Mm.
Okay.
Spyjet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, hold short runway 23, behind landing aircraft from left to right, clear to enter runway 23 to taxi to runway 05.
Holding short, runway 23, behind landing aircraft, clear to taxi 23, taxi to runway 05, SpiceJet 589er.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, Radio 1. Say again, all.
Holding runway 23 behind landing aircraft. Clear to enter runway 23. Will taxi to runway 05. SpiceJet 589er.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, Radio 1. Say again.
Holding short runway 23. Will enter runway after landing aircraft. Clear to enter runway 23. Taxi to runway 05. SpiceJet 589er. Thiruvananthapuram Tower, SpiceJet 589er, lined up runway 05, ready for departure.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, cleared for takeoff, runway 05.
Clear for takeoff runway 05, SpiceJet 589er.
I want to see you. Harsh, I want to see you in the cockpit, okay?
Okay, sir. Roger. Thiruvananthapuram approach, SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Thiruvananthapuram, passing 2,700 feet. Romeo 457, 1955, top of climb 2010. Request climb flight level 310.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, say again all.
I say again, Thiruvananthapuram approach, SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Thiruvananthapuram, passing 2,700 feet. Route Romeo 457, 1955, top of climb 2010. Request further climb flight level 310.
SpiceJet 589er, Trivandrum Tower, cleared to climb to flight level 50, heading 240. Thereafter, turn right, heading 260. Further climb flight level 70.
Climb correction, clear to climb flight level 50, heading 240, then turn right heading 260 and climb flight level 70, SpiceJet 589er.
Roger, Trivandrum Tower.
Trivandrum approach, SpiceJet 589er, 5,000 feet, correction flight level 50, heading 240.
What is sorry?
Uh, I said correction.
Mention your climbs and flight levels correctly and mention the number 9 as niner.
Okay.
You cannot make such mistakes and make these calls more dynamic, like Trivandrum Tower. I'll start again. Trivandrum Tower SpiceJet 589er passing 2,500 feet. Remember, your ATC clearance was related up to 5 for flight level 50, turn left, turn right. So you can connect it to that also. And you can just say Trivandrum Tower SpiceJet 589er passing 2,700 feet. Runway heading runway 23 for flight level 50. Estimating so and so next. Top of climb so and so. Request for the climb flight level 310. As this way you could say, although you were
Okay.
given a little bit of more climb till flight level 70 changing heading, so you can just comply or you can report it like this, passing 2000. So yeah, there's a little contradiction. So your ATC clearance compliance is not done. But yeah, just mention that I'm passing this for that or leaving this, climbing to, maintaining. These terms you can use.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, sir, in this call, I said I did mention top of climb and climb to flight level 310.
Hmm.
So instead, I have to ask for flight level 50. That's what you're saying?
Now I'm just saying what words to use when you are mentioning flight levels or leaving flight levels or passing flight levels. And you could have connected it to say that, okay, I'm passing this for that, which you did, but it could be more structured and dynamic. Like try again once. And instead of this, you change this question to this. Okay. And choose the appropriate authority. So till here you were given clearance by tower, so you can report to tower or you can report to approach.
Okay.
Hmm.
Tiruvananthapuram approach, SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Tiruvananthapuram, flight level 70, route Romeo 457, 2010, request further climb, flight level 310, aircraft Airbus 320 moderate, IFR flight Tiruvananthapuram, Chennai.
That was a good call, but still the impact on climb is not understood. It's like very laid back, and so you can do that. It's good.
Okay.
थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा impactful कर सकते हैं. Like see, Trivandrum. I would try to make this call to tower, but you're right. Approach is fine. Trivandrum approach SpiceJet 589er flight level 7020 DME Tango Y Victor Mike. Excuse. Sorry, I had a sneeze there.
Okay.
Trivandrum approach SpiceJet 589er flight level 70 heading to 6025 DME outbound Tango Mike connection 25 DME outbound Tango Victor Mike Romeo 457 estimating Guteg 2030 top of climb 2020 flight level 310 request climb flight level 310 like
Okay.
just try to make it short and impactful. Like I should know what it is all about. Okay, needs climb and simple. Your call was also there, but if I was slightly distracted also, then I was not sure what is happening.
Got it, sir.
So a little bit of that impact makes a big difference. And whenever you're mentioning route, you don't have to say route.
Okay.
You just mention the name of the route.
Romeo 457.
Correct.
Okay.
Just try this call again. Keep it short. Yeah.
Tiruvananthapuram approach, SpiceJet 589er, 25 nautical miles outbound, Tiruvananthapuram, Romeo 457, 2010, top of climb 2030, request climb flight level 310, estimate Madurai 2050, Tirupatachali
Trichy
20,
is given in short, besides Trichirappalli.
Tiruchirappalli.
See, again, your call is too lengthy. I appreciate you're giving all details, but I want you to fine tune your call. Make it short.
Sir, so I'm just giving all the necessary information, like our position and top of climb and estimate. That's what I'm saying.
But what lengthy जा रहा है वो? Try
Okay.
again. Try again.
Tiruvananthapuram approach, spies at 589er, 25 nautical miles outbound, Tiruvananthapuram. Passing correction, flight level 70, top of climb 2020, request further climb flight level 310.
So you are not passing, you are maintaining. Remember, you're not being cleared for flight level any further 70. So here you will
I
say,
said correction after that and said flight level 70.
this was a good effort. Still, it can be better, but this was a good effort. Top of climb comes very soon. You could give an estimate top of climb, request climb. This was
Okay.
good. Now your effort was good.
And so I'm facing difficulty naming the place.
Yeah, it's okay. Tiruvananthapuram is Trivandrum, and this is Trichy. Tiruchirappalli is Trichy.
Trichy. Okay.
Yeah, see here, Trichy. Trichy approach.
Okay. So we can say Trivandrum Tower as well. Okay.
That is Trivandrum, yeah.
Okay.
It must be written somewhere here. But you can say Trivandrum, yes.
Okay, sir.
चलो अभी बाकी के कॉल्स आपको शॉर्ट एंड थोड़े एनर्जेटिक देने हैं ओके
Okay, sir.
डोंट से रूट एंड ऑल एंड जस्ट बी टू द पॉइंट now position report call you might have to definitely give all elements quickly but fast and quick.
Okay, sir. Trivandrum control SpiceJet 589er over Gutek, flight level 310, Romeo 457, 2020, estimate Madurai 2050, Richeli 2050, ETA Chennai 2130, IFR flight Trivandrum Chennai, passenger on board 234, aircraft Airbus, correction Boeing 737, moderate.
Okay, that was good. Did you say name of the report after W1 W2?
Yes, sir, I said Gutek.
No, like W1 W2 position report
No, no, sir, I
time.
didn't. Yes, I
Yeah,
said time, but I didn't mention
so
position report.
remember any report starts with W1 W2 name of the report.
Okay, sir.
And don't say estimate, say estimating
Okay, I made
in
mistake
real
here.
time. Just say once estimating. Okay, next question.
Air India
No,
95.
no, no, no.
Okay,
Relay message for Air India 195 means you will hear Air India 195 talk to ATC.
okay, I was just calling them. But
No,
okay,
you don't have to talk to them. You have to relay their message to the appropriate authority.
got it, sir.
You will just listen to them and you will just relay. You might not be able to talk to them.
Okay, sir.
Trivandrum Control, Air India 19er. Correction, Trivandrum Control, Air India 9057. Over Madurai, Romeo 457, flight level 320. Estimating Guteg 2020. Experiencing negative contact with ATC. Proceeding as per flight plan. ETA Trivandrum 2040. Now they should have made a transmitting blind call, but for a practice, let's go with this call. Now you relay this to Trivandrum Control, saying
Okay.
Trivandrum Control, SpiceJet 589er, relaying for Air India 957.
Don't we have to give a read back to Air India 957?
Chances are you might not be able to contact them. You don't need to give readback for them.
Okay. Trivandrum Control, SpiceJet 589er, flight level 310 over Gutek, relaying message for Air India 957. Air India 957 over Madurai, Romeo 457, flight level 320, estimate Gutek 2020, negative contact with ATC, will progress as per flight plan, ETA Trivandrum 2040.
Don't say relaying message, just say relaying for.
Okay.
Huh.
Relaying for Air India 957.
Correct.
Okay.
Air India 9057, Trivandrum Control, maintain flight level 320, reaching Guteg, descend to flight level 150. Now you give read back to Trivandrum Control if you can, and then relay it back to Air India 9057.
Okay. Maintain flight level 230, reach Gutek, correction, reach Gutek, descend flight level 170, SpiceJet 589er.
Now relay.
Air India 957, SpiceJet 589er, relaying for Trivandrum Control. Maintain flight level 230, descend flight level 170 after reaching Gutek. Trivandrum Control, SpiceJet 589er, flight level 310, TCAS resolution advisory, will report when clear of conflict.
Did you say climbing?
No, I said will report when clear of conflict. Am I
So,
actually not audible, sir?
so you say it like this. No, you say it like this. Uh, Trivandrum Control, SpiceJet 589er, TICAS RA, climbing, will report when clear of conflict. TICAS RA climb will report when clear of conflict, and there's another term called will report when uh, return to clearance. Remember these keywords. So you
Okay,
say TICAS RA climb. So you say that I'm climbing. So that is very important to mention the climb word.
got it, sir. So, sir, should I say resolution advisory or just
RA,
RA?
RA.
Okay. I'll just say again. Trivandrum control, SpiceJet 589er, flight level 310, TCAS RA climb, will report when clear of conflict.
Hmm. You can also mention your flight level if you have to.
Okay.
No, that was good. Very nice. But mention climbs. You make it very logical. So your calls are clean. You're able to make them short. Now you have to keep them correct also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. In between, I'm losing you. Or sometimes I'm just ch- ensuring that I hear you well. So I'm asking you to repeat. I hope you
Okay.
can hear me well.
Yes, sir. Radio 5.
Please carry on.
Rogers. Mayday, 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 SpiceJet 589er, Chennai control, over Trichy, flight level 310, experiencing dual engine failure. Request expedite descent and emergency landing over at Trichy. Passenger on board 234. Endurance 0200. Aircraft Boeing 737 moderate.
Is it medium or moderate?
Moderate.
I will confirm this. Uh, will verify this. Uh, you
Most
forgot
probably
to
it's
say your
moderate.
call sign. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You just didn't mention your call sign.
I did, sir.
No. Mayday,
Okay.
Mayday, Mayday. Random control.
So shouldn't it be Chennai control?
Chennai control. So be careful. Sometimes when we are focused on something, we might miss out on saying something else.
Okay.
So Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Chennai control. SpiceJet 589er. Experiencing dual engine failure. Remember, structure is addressing condition, intention. Dual engine failure, unable to revive. Intent, aircraft losing altitude. Romeo 457, flight level 310, over Trichy. Aircraft difficult to control because you don't have engine power, so you don't have thrust.
Correct.
You will not be able to make an emergency landing also, but you can try to talk about it.
Okay.
So Trichy
Should I
is
say
very
again?
far away. So your idea was right to land over Trichy. That was very interesting. I liked it. Would attempt to make an emergency landing at Trichy. Aircraft losing altitude rapidly, 2000 feet per minute rate of descent. Trying to revive engines. Something like this. Endurance can be said, but engine is still not working. So make it a little more realistic there, and you're good. But make it sure that nobody can say that "Arey, you didn't say your call sign."
Got it, sir.
Yeah, try this call once again.
Mayday, 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 Chennai control, SpiceJet 589er, aircraft experiencing dual engine failure. Request emergency landing and emergency services on arrival. Passenger on board 234. Aircraft over Trichy. Endurance 0200. Aircraft Boeing 737. Moderate.
देखो ना आपको ये सब बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है एयरक्राफ्ट रूट एयरक्राफ्ट एक्सपीरियंसिंग डुअल इंजन फेलियर ये सब आपका कॉल को लेंदी कर रहा है आपको कॉल को शॉर्ट करना है एंड आपको अभी व्हाट डू वी से ये जो कॉल है इस कॉल को स्ट्रक्चर्ड रखना है आपने उसको स्ट्रक्चर अभी भी फॉलो नहीं किया रिमेंबर स्ट्रक्चर एंड इम्पोर्टेंस शुड बी ऑन द सिचुएशन So,
Okay.
Mayday, 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 Chennai Control, SpiceJet 589er, dual engine failure over Trichy, flight level 310, aircraft losing altitude rapidly, 2500 feet per minute rate of descent, Romeo 457, able to maintain heading, request emergency landing at Trichy, aircraft difficult to control, persons on board 120, endurance 0130. Something like this, a little more seriously.
Okay.
I thought and gave it. If you use the technique that think in your mind first and then give your call within 5 to 10 seconds, then you can give a more rapid call. Like Mayday, 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 Chennai Control, Spyjet 589er, dual engine failure over Trichy, flight level 310, unable to revive engine, aircraft losing altitude rapidly, request emergency landing at Trichy, correction, emergency landing at Trichy, or would attempt an emergency landing at Trichy, aircraft difficult to control, losing altitude rapidly, persons on board. At least this much you will say. First, quickly, whatever, emergency medical services, and everyone will come when you're setting arrivals and everything. S- But right now, you can very well crash. You might not be able to make it. And Trichy, you're just above Trichy, so it's going to be difficult for you to come make a 180-degree turn, lose altitudes because you don't have engine.
Correct, sir.
So losing altitude rapidly, aircraft difficult to control, that is the first intent. Then I'm about Trichy, so if one way or the other something goes right, so I'll come to Trichy only. So I want to,
Okay.
yeah. And use your flying experience here. Chalo,
Got
try
it.
it once again.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Chennai Control, SpiceJet 589er, dual engine failure over Trichy, flight level 310, aircraft unable to revive aircraft engine, request emergency landing at Trichy, passenger on board 234, endurance 0200.
You mentioned losing altitude rapidly.
Oh, yes, I didn't mention that one.
Think about the situation, Harsh. There's no need for any struggle also. It's your job. You have to do it the right way. Now tell me, hypothetically, if you're flying the aircraft and you have engine failure, what will you do in terms of communications and procedure? Tell me.
Yes, sir. We'll add losing altitude and unable to revive engines.
You'll keep trying. What is your checklist for engine failure mid-flight?
We'll revive the engine. If unable, then shut off all the masters, idle the power, and make initiate forced landing.
So you use the same technique thinking you are doing it for a wide body and communicate about it. Very simple. तुमने जो स्ट्रक्चर में मुझे समझाया है वही स्ट्रक्चर में तुम्हें एटीसी कॉल लेना है सेम चीजें बोलनी है.
Okay,
That's how easy it is. You
got it,
can
sir.
just mention unable to revive, switching off masters, preparing for emergency landing at Trichy, request immediate descent and emergency landing clearance, or arrival, emergency medical services and firefighting services. वो फिर अच्छा भी लगेगा क्योंकि वो तरीके से ही तुमने स्टार्ट किया है सो यू आर कमांडिंग रिस्पेक्ट राइट अवे बिकॉज यू नो द प्रोसीजर राइट नाउ सिचुएशनल अवेयरनेस लॉजिकल रीजनिंग उनका मतलब यह है कि आपको प्रोसीजर पता हो प्रोसीजर यही है कि आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिचुएशन को अंडरस्टैंड करके बात करो सो जस्ट डू इट द
Correct.
वे यू एक्सप्लेन द लिस्ट टू मी चलो वेरी नाइस
Okay. Should I say again?
या ऑफ कोर्स
Okay. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Chennai Control, SpiceJet 589er, dual engine failure over Trichy, aircraft losing altitude, aircraft unable engine, request emergency landing at Trichy, request.
I told you
Fi-
don't say request again and again in the same call. Hmm.
Request emergency landing and
If
emergency services on arrival.
mm-hmm.
Um,
Try again once more. think about the checklist that you are told to follow. Imagine you're in the cockpit, you have to communicate.
Okay. Mayday, 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 SpiceJet correction. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Chennai Control SpiceJet 589er. Dual engine failure overload. Unable to revive engines. All masters off. Aircraft losing altitude. Flight level 310. Request emergency landing and firefighting services on arrival. Passenger on board 234. Endurance 0200.
Masters and all, even if you don't say, it's fine. But yeah, मेक इट लॉजिकल. अभी आप दो तीन बार रिक्वेस्ट बोलोगे एटीसी, फिर बोलेगा आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो, फिर वापस से मौका चला जाएगा. अभी आपको बस ये बेसिक फीडबैक पे फोकस रखना है, एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू अप्लाई दिस.
Yes, sir.
चलो करो ये अच्छे से. लेट्स गेट इट डन विथ.
Chennai Control SpiceJet 589er. Cancel Mayday. Over Trichy flight level 260. Romeo 457 2030. Would like to continue flight as per flight plan. Request climb flight level 310.
Very good. It was very clean and very commanding also. I liked it. You just didn't mention that engines are working normally. But I liked the confidence and the command. इसी को पकड़ के रखो हर्ष, और थोड़ा बहुत फायदा होगा आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा. Remember
Okay,
this.
sir.
You just didn't mention engines working normal, okay? That you mention. Engines are an important thing you can mention.
Okay.
Hmm. You could also say would like request flight level 270, like would like to proceed as per flight plan. Request flight level 270 estimates ETA, like this, so that you don't have to climb again.
And
थोड़ा
sir, in this call, we have to give estimates, or it should be okay.
only next estimate you can give, top of climb or next estimate. Instead of climb, you could say just give me the next odd to odd, even to even. So 260 is not the right altitude. So either go to 250 or 270. So tell
Okay,
them
sir.
request flight level 270 to Chennai, Romeo 457, like this.
Got it.
So you don't have to waste fuel now again to go up and come down. Do you get it? You can save that much fuel.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Added fuel, yes. So try again.
Chennai Control SpiceJet 589er. Cancel Mayday. Engine working normal. Over Trichy flight level 270. Will maintain current level 270.
Request. Don't say request.
Okay. Request flight level 270
To
and
Chennai, Romeo 457. Estimating this ETA Chennai so and so. Like this, you can talk. Constructively construct it. Try again.
Chennai Control SpiceJet 589er. Cancel Mayday. Engines working normally. Over Trichy flight level 270 2030. Request flight level 270 to Chennai. Estimate Tegut 2050. ETA Chennai 2100.
And what did you request for?
Flight level 270 to Chennai.
तो यह ना लास्ट तक रिक्वेस्ट सुनाई देना चाहिए. तो एस्टिमेट्स में इतना टाइम नहीं लगाना है हमें. ऐसे करना है देखो. मे बी चेन्नई कंट्रोल स्पाइसजेट 589er कैंसल मे डे. Engines working normally. Would like to proceed as per flight plan. Request flight level 270 to Chennai. Estimating Tegut 2050. Next. Lekab 2055. ETA Chennai 2115. like end it like this. And in the end, I still want us to sound like request flight level or request clearance. In simple words, this is the time you can simple say request clearance.
So that's fine
Just
if we say request two times because we said it earlier.
yeah, only because you want clearance for everything you said right now.
Okay,
Like I made it sound right.
correct, sir.
You're if you're saying make it sound right only when needed. Like every time I say in the red case scenario, you'll have to use request twice. So it comes naturally. If I say request flight level 310, top of climb, request emergency landing or request emergency medical services, instead instead top of climb, request climb and emergency medical services on arrival. Like this. It should become in the end. So we don't have to say request twice. And whatever
Got
is the
it.
main purpose of our call, it's always good when it is the last thing in the call. Most of the times.
Got it, sir.
Remember these things. Now imagine you are in 270. Hmm.
Okay.
So I'll just give you a reply to that. SpiceJet 589er, Chennai control, cleared to Chennai, flight level 270.
Clear to Chennai flight level 270, SpiceJet 589er.
Very nice. Continue.
Chennai control, SpiceJet 589er over Lake flight level 270. One correction 2030, Romeo 457. Top of descent 2050. Request descent.
SpiceJet 589er, Chennai control, cleared to descend, flight level 150. Reaching flight level 150, contact Chennai approach 127 decimal niner.
Descent to flight level 150 approved. Will contact Chennai Tower 127.9er. SpiceJet 589er.
Roger, Chennai control. Now comply with this much. Continue. Question is not changing.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er over 20 nautical miles outbound Likap, maintaining flight level 150. Request further descent.
Station calling, Chennai control. Say again all.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er,
So you don't
main.
directly go to approach. See, when I said compliance, you comply with control. At least one call should go to control, and then you have to say changing to approach, and only then you will talk to approach when you are continuing your call. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yes, sir. Chennai control, SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Likap, maintaining flight level 150. Will contact Chennai
No will
approach.
contact. No phrase, proper phrase. Changing to. अभी मैं बोल भी रहा हूँ.
Okay. Chennai control, SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Lake maintaining flight level 150, changing to Chennai approach 127 decimal niner.
Roger, Chennai control.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er,
SpiceJet 589er, Chennai approach.
SpiceJet 589er, 20 nautical miles outbound Lake
You cannot start with your call sign. See, this is what I wanted to check. ये सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी एग्जाम्स में गलत जाएगी फिर हमें पता नहीं चलेगा हमने क्या एरर किया बिकॉज हम अनकॉन्शियसली ये कर रहे हैं.
Okay. So we have to say again Chennai approach.
You cannot start with your call sign. बाकी कैसे भी बोलो. How do you reply? You reply with So it's a initial contact made, so you'll say W1, W2 again once.
Okay.
Remember this.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er,
एंड
two
तुमने सिर्फ
five.
स्टेशन अप्रोच का रेस किया, तुम स्टेशन को अपना पोजीशन भी बोल सकते थे। बिकॉज तुम्हें एटीसी ने अप्रूवल दिया उनसे बात करने का, मतलब वो लोग ने आपस में बात कर ली एंड दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग यू।
Okay.
तो यहाँ स्टेशन रेस करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन जस्ट से changing to Chennai approach 127.9er, then Chennai approach SpiceJet 589er, flight level 150, so and so DME inbound Chennai, and then they will give you something. You just raise the station also, and you give them your position also. Like, okay, I have come here. You can ask for request for the descent also directly. You can be aggressive there, like getting it.
Yes, sir.
So there are two possibilities. Without raising station also, you can talk.
Got it, sir.
Hmm.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er, 25 nautical miles outbound Leka, flight level 150, request further descent.
Top of descent and descent. देखो भूल गया वापस।
Sir, top of descent जो कंट्रोल को दे दिया था ना, that's why I didn't mention
हम्म।
because we are just complying it. So I thought,
हम्म। रिक्वेस्ट फर्दर डिसेंड। गुड। हम्म।
okay,
रिक्वेस्ट फर्दर डिसेंड। स्टिल मेक योर कॉल्स वेरी एक्टिव एंड वेरी डायनामिक। ओके।
okay, sir.
चेन्नई अप्रोच स्पाइसजेट 589 फ्लाइट लेवल 150, दिस मच, देन दे विल बी लाइक स्पाइसजेट 589, इतना बोल दोगे आप चलेगा। स्पाइसजेट 589 चेन्नई अप्रोच डिसेंड टू फ्लाइट लेवल 70, 35 DME और मोर।
Okay.
Give me a reply to that.
Uh,
SpiceJet
descent,
589er, Chennai approach, descend to flight level 7035 DME or more.
descent to flight level 7035 DME or more, SpiceJet 589er.
And you can see lean flight level 150 for flight level 7035 DME or more. Like this also. You can instantly start coming down.
Okay.
Hmm.
But does that work if I say request further descent?
यू कैन, बट मैं एक ऑप्शन बता रहा हूँ, इस सिचुएशन में सिर्फ पोजीशन एक ऐड कर देते तो आपका कॉल सही होता। मैं आपको बस दो तीन वेरिएशंस बता रहा हूँ।
I said na that I am 25 nautical miles outbound Leka.
हाँ, आपको वो नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, क्योंकि लिकअप के ऊपर हो तो आप लिकअप के आगे क्यों इमेजिन कर रहे हो खुद को। स्टिक टू व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू इन द क्वेश्चन। वो सुन के ही अजीब लग रहा था कि कहाँ से इमेजिन कर रहे हो आप।
Okay.
तो जस्ट से चने अप, या लाइक, बट या यू थॉट दैट यू हैव कम टू फाइव बिकॉज इट वाज विद अप्रोच, करेक्ट। आई गेट इट। यू कैन से बोथ, दोनों आइडिया सही है, तुम्हें डिसेंट मिलने ही वाला है, बस मेक इट साउंड राइट। ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
Okay, sir. Got it.
एक और ले लो, एक और ले लो। Continue with approach. Just contact approach again, reaching flight level 150.
Should I raise the station or just say the position?
Your wish, I gave you options now.
Okay.
I don't think you should raise the station only.
Okay.
Mhm.
Chennai approach, SpiceJet 589er, flight level 150, 70 nautical miles inbound Chennai. Request further descent.
Not bad. SpiceJet 589er, Chennai approach, maintain flight level 150 until 60 DME inbound Mike Victor. Thereafter, clear to descend to flight level 70.
Maintain flight level 150 until 60 DME till Mike Victor. Thereafter descent flight level 70. SpiceJet 589er.
See, DME inbound Mike Victor. That was good. So remember, this is how you have to communicate. Keep it. Keep it very short, sweet, and strong.
Okay, sir. Chennai Tar SpiceJet 589er, 7 miles finals, request landing clearance.
Spyjet 589er, Trandrum Tower. Correction. Sorry, whom did you make this call to, Harsh?
Chennai Tar,
And what was the position?
I said 7 miles finals for runway
Miles.
27.
7
7
nautical
nautical.
miles is long finals.
Okay,
0 to 2 is short finals, 2 to 4 is finals, and 4 to 8 is long finals.
okay.
Hmm.
Chennai Tar SpiceJet 589er, 7 correction long finals, 07 nautical miles, request landing clearance.
कौन सा रनवे लॉन्ग फाइनल्स क्या बात कर रहे हो हर्ष यू हैव फ्लोन सो मच हाउ कैन यू रिपोर्ट अ पोजीशन फॉर लैंडिंग विदाउट मेंशनिंग which runway where you are have some clarity na
Okay. Chennai Tar SpiceJet 589er, 7 nautical miles, long finals, request
not
landing
like
clear.
this baba not like this Trivandrum Tower Spyjet 589er long finals runway 25 request landing clearance that's it don't say 7 you say long finals 0 to 2 is short finals, 2 to 4 is finals, 4 to 8 is long finals.
Okay, so can't we just give miles instead of long, short, or
No, no, you have to say long finals, short finals, or finals. If your distance from runway is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, or 4 to 8.
okay, sir, got it.
Hmm.
Chennai Tar SpiceJet 589er, long finals, runway 25, request landing clearance.
Spyjet 589er, Chennai Tower, cleared to land, runway 27, ILS approach.
Clear to land runway 27, ILS approach, SpiceJet 589er.
Hmm. You can just keep reporting Spyjet random occlusion. Chennai Tower, Spyjet 589er, established localizer, runway 27, established glide path, runway 27, and then you just say landed after that.
Okay,
If you just to keep it very basic.
got it, sir.
Chalo. Good job. Remember your feedback. And at night, when you get free time, give me a text. Let's do some briefing and update. Give me a short brief on what you picked up from the session, okay?
Sir, I have to catch a train at around 10.
That's what, in between, when you get some restful time, keep thinking about it. Maybe once you catch your train, after that,
Sure, sir.
है ना ट्रेन में बैठने के बाद रिलैक्स करने के बाद रैपिंग अप योर डे डिस्कशन करना चैट पे कुछ गिव मी एन अपडेट
Done, sir. Done,
एंड
done.
गो थ्रू योर समरी ब्रीफिंग ऑल्सो दैट यूल गेट ऑन ईमेल कल देखा था आपने
हाँ, सर, देखा था मैंने.
वॉज इट हेल्पफुल
Yes, sir, very much helpful. Like I could remember all the stuff.
सो प्लीज डू इट
Point
एंड
of view.
दिमाग से पढ़ के उसको सोना आप क्या आपको फीडबैक याद रहेगा आपका
Done, sir.
चलो ऑल द बेस्ट
सर, I just have one doubt.
हाँ
अ, मैंने आज ध्रुव को कॉल किया था, उसकी एग्जाम थी ना आज. तो
हाँ
एक क्वेश्चन था उसमें कि यू आर ऑन टैक्सीवेज जोलो एंड वन एयरक्राफ्ट इज वेरी क्लोज टू यू, गिव अ कॉल. सो that will be a urgency call or it will be a normal call?
इफ यू आर इमेजिनिंग इट्स अर्जेंसी देन से दैट
Because it didn't mention that aircraft has been hit. It was just like very close.
You
So I
share
was
those
confused.
questions. You share those questions with me. We'll discuss this. I'll share my views on it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Should I share you on WhatsApp?
Yeah, yeah. WhatsApp everything.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hmm.
ठीक.
Remember, okay. Remember the feedbacks and remember everything that you have learned in each call.
Yes, sir.
Remember to apply. Be conscious.
Okay,
And
okay, sir.
those questions I will discuss. You just share them with me. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll share.
Chalo. Anything else, you just let me know via text.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Chalo. There are a lot of strengths today, but we have to do a little more. So please spread your arms and have that reach to make sure your performance is well. Okay?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.